Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. Today I'm going to give you an update on my patio. Look at all the hummingbirds. If you want to see what else is going on, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. These are some of the plants that have come up behind the fireplace. I got these I forget what they're called. I think verbenas, the tall ones. I'll list the name down below. And then look, we got a coneflower that has started to bloom. And see all these plants? Well, my irises are done. They're sunk in. We had a hard rain yesterday. Finally, we got some rain. But look at all. These are going to be all coneflowers coming up shortly. If you watched some of my garden videos last year, you'd see all the yellow coneflowers. This year in these pots we put portulacas because they like the sun and they don't require a lot of water, and so they're doing nicely. So we'll come, I'm going to cross over here quickly and show you some more in this pot. They're all different colors. Couldn't tell what colors they were when I bought them, so they all turn out differently. And over here you see there's some more coneflowers and tall verbenas and all those weeds down there. I gotta get up. And let's see, we got a hydrangea here. My hydrangeas, this one got really big from last year, but the blossoms are small, probably because I didn't feed them this year. And then I got some more coneflowers. Then we got the pink ones that have started to bloom already, and we've had some butterflies come to feast on them. See? So over here we got some more portulacas in this pot. I think that's pretty. And these are some succulents I had. I just put them in those pots. And these are some petunias and some other little bacopa. They're still hanging in there. We had to replace one of these because it wasn't doing that well. And back here you see a cactus. It's got a little bloom on it. See that? Let me get a little closer. It's kind of blurry. Sorry about that. Some more portulacas. And my hens and chicks, they're doing pretty good. Look how pretty they are. And this is a cactus. We'll see a piece broke off, but look, we've got another little side shoot that's coming out. And here's my succulent pot. It's doing well. This is a big old crazy piece, but it's doing well. Over here is a little Hosta garden, and they're coming out nice. I put this little one over here to see how it would do. It was just a little piece, and I flowers over here. And a plant and another succulent back there. I think I showed you this before in another video. And then all these hostas. And some of the hostas have started to bloom. And look, the coneflowers in this pot have bloomed already. And then I got my geranium, the variegated. And these are just some other hostas in the pots. And we don't plant these every year, they come back. So if you want a quick, easy way to fill in your landscape on your patio, just get you some hostas. These are some sedums. They come back every year. Well, actually, they just turn a little golden color. But look, I wanted to show you from the last time how big these bubblegum petunias got in my pots. Look, y'all. They really got big. The only thing I hate about them is if you look, you get some dried pieces and you gotta keep picking them. Cause if you don't pick them, you won't get any blooms. This is another sedum I got down here. It's filling in nicely. I don't know why these portulacas aren't doing as well. And look, we got the clematis vine that's bloomed. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if you can see how pretty and dark purple that is. And then I got my little donkey tails that's gotten big. And these are some more petunias. Look how big they've gotten over here. They're filling in nice. But I'm going to have to cut them back soon. And so then we're going to swing over here. These are my hydrangeas. They didn't do as well as last year because I didn't feed them. But look, they're all, you can't tell, hold on. You can't tell, but they're blue. They're turning blue, most of them. But they're just starting to open up. And then we got a orange coneflower over here that's pretty. And then my mandevilla. See, it's bloomed. It's gonna be climbing up the trellis shortly. And back here you can see how blue the hydrangeas are. So they came out nice. And these are those big giant hostas that we planted there. Look how big they got. And then this is my husband's miniature Japanese maple. It's looking good. And these are the hostas that we got on the steps. Look at Mugly. His hair is fading out. I'm going to have to cut it back so his hair will get thicker. But this is just a sedum I got in there. You see that? And that sedum is so easy to grow. And this is our cactus collection. None of them have blooms on it yet. Maybe one or two might get a bloom on it. And then this is the fountain. And over here, remember we had some alliums. Yes, alliums. But they didn't do as well. So we replaced it with some petunias and the sweet potato vines. And this is a petunia plant I got. We put it in this pot where we took the alliums out. And in here, I can't wait to find out what happens when this thing blooms. Look at this vine. This is a, birds like it. So when it blooms, we'll see what happens. But the hummingbirds have left. Let's see if they come back in a second.
Yeah, there's one bossy one. I see the bossy one in the tree.
Okay, guys. This is the update on what's been blooming on my patio. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There they go. Let's see if I can zoom in. There they go. There's 3. Let's see if a couple more come back.
I don't want the bossy one to come. Bossy one. Come on, too.
Here they come.
There's only 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's the bossy one.
Let me know if you can count how many it is, because I can't keep count. They move so fast. Okay.
Oh,
Jesus.
1, 2.
I think the most I've counted is about 12. So, like I said, it's Cheryl here today, Around the House with Cheryl. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.